Zerion data flow automation. In this release, we have a great new feature coming out that's going to allow you to use the iForm or Zerion DC API and assign records based upon a condition. So what that means is maybe you want to assign all records that match, maybe the state is equal to Virginia to that user. So let's go ahead and do that example here now. So you're going to see I have a webhook here and a record set with some data in it. Now we want to go under Actions and go to Forms and Data Collector and hit the Data Collector Record action. And we want to give this action a name, so I'm going to say Assign Records. And what do we want to do? We can create and assign. I just want to hit Assign, since I already have the records there that we're going to be working on. So in this scenario, I'm first going to choose a page that we have. So inside of the page here, I'm going to select Daily Inspection Form, which is coming right from here. And then I want to actually hit the dynamic mapper because we want to dynamically assign based upon grammar. So in this scenario, I have a field in my data called user. So I'm going to do record.user to assign it to that user. And in my grammar, I'm going to enter this grammar as follows. Fields equals, and then from here we want to put in that field name. So I have a field called state. So let's open up the form builder and see what that data column name is called here. So I'm going to search for my form here. And to use the API grammar, if you're not familiar with it, we do have some documentation in our API section here, but this should also help you be able to understand it here. So we choose state 1, and in my data here I'm going to say state 1, and then we have parentheses, and the parentheses are there to basically put in your condition. So I'm going to say state 1 is equal to VA and save that. So I'm doing fields equals. When state is equal to VA, it's going to assign to the user in here. So let's save that. And I'm going to submit some data through here. This could be from a different form or a web form, but I'm going to send in our state as Virginia and the user as Bray QA test. And we're going to send that data in. And at this point, it should go in here and assign the records to my user. So let's pull up my device here. And on my device, we actually just missed it, but I did get a notification. And you'll see that it says new records have been assigned to you. So let's sync our device here, and we're going to get those records, and they're going to be downloaded. So here they are. There's 3 records here. And we see that these 3 records all have the state of Virginia. As you can see, they're all from Herndon here. So I'm going to open up one of these records, and I'm going to see the state is VA. So you can start envisioning some workflows where maybe you're out in the field and you want to say, send me everything in this region, or send me everything that matches a fail so I can then resolve it. But inside of here, you could do multiple conditions if you wish as well. So maybe something along the lines of state is VA and city is Herndon. So we're drilling down even a little more. So again, you can see how this feature can kind of build on top of each other and perform some pretty powerful record assignments directly from here. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below in the article here, and thanks for watching.